Oh my god. I used to think I'm a decent communicator. I have a decent communication skills. Not terrible, not amazing, just decent. And then I recorded myself while doing this exercise. Look at this. Okay, so once upon a time, there was one huge elephant in a jungle, and he was so proud. Uh, okay, so once upon a time, there was a huge. So once upon a time, there was a huge jungle, and in that jungle, there was a huge elephant, and that elephant was so arrogant and um so what he did he what he did is okay, so the exercise was very simple. As I told in my last video that I'm going to do this exercise to improve my storytelling, and this is what happening with me. This exercise was so simple. Just read. I just have to read this Hindi story, a small little basic story, and I have to explain as I'm explaining to the audience in a most interesting and engaging way. And this is what happened to me. This exercise is very simple, but what I struggle with is, have a look. He is the uh, And finally, after so much retake, after recording myself in the front of camera without looking at the story in a most interesting way, this is the final take. I consider it. Imagine there is a big jungle full of animals, sounds of nature, and in that jungle there is one huge elephant. That elephant is so arrogant, so proud on his big huge size that he believed that no one can defeat him, no one can challenge him because he has a huge big size, so he's so much powerful. One day, an ant was crossing nearby, and he laughed at ant and said, "Hey, you tiny little ant, you are so small, how can you be powerful?" You know what happened? What did ant said? She smiled and said, "A strength is not only about a huge big size, but strength is also about intelligence. It's also about the mindset." So what happened? So elephant laughed loudly and said, "Okay, proved it." And next day, every animal gathered together to see the challenge between small ant and elephant. So after this challenge starts, a small little ant slowly crawled into the trunk of elephant, and she started troubling elephant. And what happened? Elephant started crying, started shaking his head, shouting for help, and finally he realized that a single ant cannot defeat a single ant. So the lesson here is you should not judge anyone by shape, size, looks, by their appearance, because even the small things is powerful in their own way. Thank you. Okay, so this is me taking one story every day, practicing my storytelling, doing one session every day. Let's see where it goes.